Hi, this is Dawn, your professor. I'm trying to record some comments about and instructions on this first assignment, this first larger essay for your humanities class. I've tried twice already and wasn't doing so well with this new system, but anyway, I wanted to go through these. The first thing I want you to do is read this, what I call a working definition of art. There are many, many different definitions. You can look them up. This is one that works in my classroom and here online. It's just a beginning. It's in 4 parts. So things you consider when you look at these 2 images that you're going to be writing about down here. So the first one is the first thing I want you to do is read through those, and then for each image, you're talking the assignment's about 2 different images because I'm having you compare, look at different types of artwork. The answer is at art. Consider whether you consider this first one, this abstract piece by David Smith, art, and why you consider it art or why you don't. For instance, one of the things up here is number 3. Does it require a skill? Also, is it based on an idea or experience? With abstract art, you can't always know what that idea or experience is. Some of them don't even have titles. Um, so, so that's the first thing, is to answer this question. Just say, go to the first one, Q by 6, David Smith. I don't consider this art, or I do consider this art. And at the end, you can kind of rethink that too, whether if you didn't think it was qualified to be a real work of art, you can change your mind. The second part, there's 3 parts. So second part is the discussion of the elements and principles that we're looking at this first week. This is the document here. It will maximize it right here on the screen. And of the elements of art, like line and color, but there's a lot of different ones. And then the principles of design, like unity and variety, things like that. So you pick, for each image, you're going to pick one from this list, one from this list, and then use those to talk about that artwork. So you're going to go one here, that's 2 for David Smith's and 2 for Jacob Lawrence. Here's some examples I go through of what possible ones that you could maybe talk about with just David Smith's work. The last one is to find out more about the artist's environment, where he was raised, what his ethnicity is, and the bottom line is, does that affect the work, what it looks like, what he or she is trying to say. So if you have any questions, you can always email me, and we can always get on the phone if you need to do that too. So I hope that helps.